Hey guys, so Amazon package came today. So we're gonna be opening this package. And my mom, I have a guest with me. She's hiding. It's really hard. I'm using keys, okay, not a knife.
We're waiting for another one though.
No.
I'm waiting for one.
It's the pills. It comes with mine. Look. It is. I see it. My eye. Something went in my eye. Oh yeah, we're waiting for one more package. What is this?
I don't know.
So here it is. Wow, it's bigger than I thought it was gonna be. So let's open it up. It's liquid glass.
Really have to make it.
No, you don't have to. Here are all of them that you can do. Okay, ready? Oh, it has a wrap. Sorry guys, I know this video is so fast because my friend does not have a lot of time. She has to go back downstairs in her house. And I'm so excited.
What is this? To put in it?
Oh wait, no, that's my mom's.
Are you sure?
Yeah, she ordered those. I can't open this thing.
We're in trouble now.
Whoa. Look how clear that is.
Yeah, stuck in there.
Yeah, it is.
It gets foggy. I saw the YouTube videos. Dude, this is so clear. It gets foggy when you play with it. It actually feels better than I thought. Yeah. I thought it was gonna feel more worse. Harder, I love this now. I'm obsessed with this thingy.
I know, right?
There's some in the cap if you want. Oh, it makes my hands softer.
Dude, it does. My mom's gonna yell at me.
Dude, what if you get grounded?
Well,
Well, where am I going to put it? Look how clear that is. It looks foggy right now because, but then when you leave it like this, it won't be foggy. It's more than I thought it would be.
I know. I thought it was gonna be like that much.
I thought it was going to be like this much. Like this circle on the inside. And a little bit smaller, like right here.
Over there.
Okay, fine.
Here you go. Fueron $22. 22. Ya ves, no todo es fucking cheap.